Hey everyone, welcome to Wonderland Tech, and for my first video today I'm going to be showing you guys how to not make your computer faster, and one is going to be a program that isn't going to give you any viruses, I assure you, and number two, some tips for you guys if you don't want to really go and do like a program and wait for hours on end, which doesn't take hours, but same thing. So now what we're going to do is we are going to go to our start button and type in the program disk defragmenter. Now because I've used this frequently, it's already up here, and it says in the description that it defragments your disk so that your computer runs faster and more efficiently. This is built into your Windows computer, and you guys, if you are on a Mac, I will be getting a Mac soon, so I'll be doing some videos on Macs and some videos on Windows, because I will have two different types, so you guys can understand how this works on a Mac. So what we're going to do is just click on that. Did I click on it? No, I didn't. And you should get this window here, and this window has a lot of writing. You don't have to read it because, Now, sometimes it will have a scheduled defragmentation, which means I've set so that it will, when it needs to, kind of go through my stuff and kind of just delete stuff that doesn't need, that's what it will do. But you don't have to set that if you don't want. Sometimes it's already turned on, but if you don't want that turned on, then you can kind of just search in Google how to change your configuration settings for the disk defragmenter. This is built into Windows, as I said, so it's not going to give you any viruses, and it shouldn't take too long. Some people have said that it takes them maybe about half an hour, but you can leave that and go outside and hang out for that half an hour. It's not like you're going to be needing to be on your computer for that half an hour. So just make sure that you have time. Also, this will restart your computer at some stage during the process. So if you guys didn't know that, and you have something that if it restarts something goes wrong, which I don't know if any of that exists, but if it does, then make sure that you are aware of that and that you can do something about it before it restarts, because you can't stop the progress once it's going. I don't think I ever been able to. So yeah, so let's do this. So once you're on this, this is a little icon as my computer mouse is like circling around right now, and you are going to press defragment disk. Now unfortunately I don't know how, but I got logged out of administrator, so I have to try and find out how to get that back together, which I'm probably gonna Google later. But once you press that, if you're not an administrator and you know the password and username, then go ahead and type that in and it will let you through. But because I have no idea what they are, I will be getting some help, but it should just start straight away. So make sure you do that correctly, and just leave your computer and it will be done by when the window closes, so you're not going to have any problems there. Also, if you need, then you can go, as I say, you can go into configure, make sure everything's right. But as you can see, all these shields mean that I can't go into them unless I'm an administrator, so I'm kind of stuck there at the moment, but I will be getting that fixed soon, so hopefully I will be able to do more with that. So let's go into some tips. If you don't really want to go through half an hour and you kind of just want to do it quickly, then go ahead and get a USB. Once you've got your USB, plug it into your computer and have two folders open, one with your USB and one with your libraries, and just go through everything and put everything on the USB that you do want and want to keep, and leave everything else, and then completely delete everything else, and make it a whole lot easier instead of going through your computer and deleting every single little thing, because you can just transfer it back and forth. But the only problem with that one is you might lose some stuff, and you might it depends how much storage you need, but that's another tip as well. Instead of going through and deleting everything, put everything you want onto that and then just delete the rest in one big bunch, and it helps a heap. So that's a tip for you guys. Also, make sure that on your taskbar you haven't got too many windows open at once, otherwise your computer is going to be trying to run too many programs, and it will slow down your games, web browsers, and all those sorts of things. And on your desktop, make sure you don't have too many like videos or programs, because it's going to also make your computer, if you accidentally click things and then you start getting annoyed at your computer because you think it's their fault, but it's not, then you're going to have a really slow computer for the rest of your life. So make sure you only have 2 or 3 things on your desktop to help you out with that. And all of your programs, I suggest not having too many. Like, put them on a USB, and when you want to use the games, like plug USB and put the game onto your computer, play it, then take it off, because it's going to help a lot more when you have like homework and stuff to do and your computer's like not slow, because that will help you a lot. Trust me, that's what I've done. I've put all my games onto a USB and it's helped me a lot. So make sure you guys follow those tips, and if they helped you, please like this video. I know you want to. Subscribe and comment down below. And comment down below what's the worst virus you've ever had, and you could get a chance to have a shout out in my next video. And yeah, so thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.